Hi, Rolf Snobeck here, and thanks for joining me again this week. So is this a good time to think ahead till summer? I know what's going on in the back of your head right now as you're saying, it's the dead of winter. Why is Rolf talking about summer now? So here's the reason. Coatings and restoration products are an important part of the overall roofing market today, but they're weather sensitive to application. The best time to put them on in most parts of the country is between late spring and early fall. So if you're looking to a coating solution for your roofs and you want to do it this year, now's the time to start thinking it through and planning. So when we talk to new clients and they bring up coatings, we find typically three things. Number one, they're looking at a coating because they're concerned about the cost of a complete roof replacement. Number two, they're worried if they did a complete roof replacement, the impact in the environment, all that waste going to a landfill. And number three, they're frustrated because they considered a coating project in previous years, but they waited too late in the year and the weather window is shut and the work never got done. So having said that, what I wanted to do today is just quickly go through a checklist of the things that you want to think about if you're considering a coating. So number one, check out the roof. I've said before, if a roof has been run to fail, it is not a candidate for a coating. If the roof is shot, it is shot. It needs to come off. You can't throw enough magic pixie dust to make that roof good again. But if you have a roof that is aging and has not run to fail, it needs some repairs, some flashing needs to be touched up, some minor membrane work, that's a candidate for a coating, and it allows you to extend the life of that roof out further. If it passes the first step, go to number two. Select the appropriate coating for the specific roof and then have an adhesion test done. Physically determine whether that coating will stay on the roof that you're thinking about. If it passes that, you go to step number three, perform a roof moisture survey. Any trap moisture in the roof must be removed. If you cover up trap moisture either with a new membrane or with a new coating, it's going to cause any new product above it to fail prematurely. You got to get rid of the trap moisture. And then once you go through those, last step is hire a professional roofing contractor to take care of the wet insulation, make all the surface repairs, and apply the appropriate coating. So that in a nutshell are the steps. It takes some time. If you're looking at this year, start thinking now. The other thing to think about if you're looking for a coating solution is that it may help your company meet its recycling or sustainability goals, and if your company has one, it may actually help you meet your ESG goals as well. If any of the foregoing resonates with you, or if you'd like to have a conversation, let me know. My contact information's in this post. And as always, don't forget to follow me here on LinkedIn or on YouTube at #RolfTheRoofingGuy. Hope you're having a safe week. Thanks.